The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is a mid-range smartphone that looks almost identical to the Galaxy S23. But how does it differ from the 2023 flagship? Samsung announced the Galaxy S23 in February 2023 alongside the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy A54 5G is the successor to the Galaxy A53 5G from 2022 and carries forward many features of its predecessor. The Galaxy S23 and Galaxy A54 5G may look very similar, but there are significant differences in the build quality. The Galaxy S23 has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back and an armor aluminum frame that offers better resistance against scratches and drops. It also has an IP68 dust and water resistance rating. On the other hand, the Galaxy A54 5G has Gorilla Glass 5 on the display and rear panel, a plastic frame, and a lower IP67 rating. The Galaxy A54 5G has a bigger 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution. It has a 120Hz refresh rate and can reach up to 1000 nits in high brightness mode. On the other hand, the Galaxy S23 has a smaller 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. While it also has a 120Hz refresh rate, it is adaptive and can drop to as low as 48Hz to conserve power. The display is also incredibly bright, reaching up to 1200 nits HVM, with a peak brightness of 1750 nits. With respect to performance, the Galaxy S23 comes out on top with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor. The Galaxy A54 5G is powered by the mid-range Exynos 1380 chipset. The Galaxy S23 comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage in the US. The Galaxy A54 5G has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and even features an SD card slot for storage expansion up to 1 TB, a feature that's no longer available on Samsung flagships. Both smartphones have triple rear cameras. The Galaxy A54 5G has a 50-megapixel f1.8 optical image stabilization primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. It has a 32-megapixel camera in the front. The Galaxy S23 also has a 50-megapixel f1.8 optical image stabilization main camera, but adds dual-pixel PDAF to the mix. Its other cameras include a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with optical image stabilization, 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel sensor with dual-pixel PDAF. The Galaxy S23 can record 8K videos in slow motion in 1080 at 960 FPS, whereas the Galaxy A54 5G maxes out at 4K and can record slow-motion videos in 720 at 480 FPS. Neither phone has a headphone jack, but both have stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. They also offer Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 6E for the Galaxy S23, NFC, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy A54 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S23 has a smaller 3900 mAh cell. Both feature 25-watt fast-wired charging, but neither comes with a charger in the box. The Galaxy S23 supports 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging, both of which are missing on the Galaxy A54. Both phones run One UI 5.1 based on Android 13 and will receive 4 OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. The Galaxy S23 also has some premium software features such as Samsung Wireless DeX, multi-control, and pause USB power delivery, none of which are available on the Galaxy A54 5G. The Galaxy A54 5G is priced at $449, while the Galaxy S23 starts at $799. The Galaxy S23 justifies the $350 premium with its superior build, higher quality display, flagship chipset, more powerful cameras, and wireless charging, among other features. The Galaxy A54 5G is great for users on a budget thanks to its battery, SD card slot, and the same software support as Samsung's flagship smartphones. What do you think? Which phone is better, A54 5G or the S23? Comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.